Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting in the app library. Find the app now. Once located, press and hold its icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. This immediate step opens the options you need. It prevents extra navigation. Make sure you identify whether the app is offloaded or fully installed because the removal option differs. If you see Remove App immediately, you're ready for the next step. If not, check the app status in Settings. Keep going once the menu shows removal choices. Now choose the removal path. Tap Remove App from the menu you opened. You'll be presented with two options. Delete App removes the app and its data, while Remove from Home Screen only hides it but keeps it in the app library. Pick Delete App if you want it gone. Pick Remove from Home Screen if you want to declutter. Once chosen, confirm on the final prompt. This step ensures you intentionally remove the app and understand whether data will be erased. Finish by verifying the app no longer appears in the app library or in Settings under iPhone storage. If you removed it accidentally, reinstall from the App Store quickly. Make sure to restart your device if the library doesn't refresh immediately. If you can't see the Remove option, check Screen Time Restrictions or Device Management Profiles. Those can block deletion. Adjust restrictions, then repeat the long press step. This fixes most problems without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.